Hi, this is Shantan, and we are here at the 39th edition of the Technology Sabha in Hyderabad. Today, I am joined by a very special guest. We have Mr. Deepak Sharma, Head of Sales, Indian Public Sector Services, Confluent. Hi, Deepak. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm very good. Thank you so much. First of all, tell me, how was your experience over here today? Meeting with so many diplomats, so many bureaucrats over here. So, how was your experience?
So I earlier also attended a couple of these kind of events from Express Computer only. So it's a great platform where we come to know about the public sector customer, what are the challenges which they are facing, because this public sector India is growing, right? They are building and they are moving towards the new technologies, right? So it's a very good platform where we can talk to with the customers and we can come to know how we can handle their issues and challenges and how we can add a value so that their services to the citizens they can improve.
Now, when you spoke about adding value to the services, definitely the most talked about term in the industry, be it government, be it private, across the globe, I would say, is AI, right? So, what do you think? What could be the use case that you can provide, which different government departments can incorporate in their operations?
When we talk about AI, right, if you go and study about the AI projects, right, AI project success only depend on your data. What type of data you are carrying in your organization, right? Because if you have the trusted data in place, then only your AI will help to work on that particular data and it will give the results which you are looking for. So how we help? So wherever the department is working in a batch mode right now, right? If you put any AI or any front end system, right, it will work on the data which is old. It's not working on the real time data. So here we add a value so that your AI projects can get success. How? So we will move you from batch to real time data, right? So when you have the real time data, and so this can become a trusted data, so you will get each and every report or dashboards on real time data.
You had a different conversations with different bureaucrats over here, right? Be it from the different states or the government of India as well. So, what would be your biggest takeaway from these 2 days? I mean, you're here for the last 2 days, right? What would be your biggest takeaway from the different sessions, different conversations that you had over here?
So most of the departments already build this multiple system which are working in a silos, right? So what they want a tightly integration which should be on a real time basis, right? Like any critical system or any financial system, it requires a real time data so that you can prevent, you can avoid, right, those frauds, right? So that is why we always believe that these systems like finance department or any crisis department or defense or ministry of health, right? So we can add a value where we can connect on a real time basis entire their silos applications which presently they're running in their system.
Thank you so much, Iva. Thanks for sharing your insights and thanks for joining us over here today. It was a pleasure hosting you. Thank you.